Yo guys, what's poppin'? This is Crypto Dummies, aka Omar Crypto. It's my first video, right? But I'm not gonna go into this BS. We're going straight to it. The normies in crypto, you guys are being taken advantage of. Even the people you see on YouTube, on Twitter saying, listen, for the normies, don't do this. I'm trying to help you out. They're taking advantage of you. This channel, and it's gonna be a track record. You can even count me from today. I'm gonna actually teach you guys how to make money as a normie and not fall into mistakes. All right, that's the most important part. The people I see on YouTube and in any social media, they say, listen, the normies are doing these mistakes, I want to help them out. They're literally, after saying that sentence, they just use you guys for money. And I've seen this in front of my eyes. I used to be a normie. I was taken advantage on, right? Advantage of. And I've seen the same influencers that tell me they're gonna help us normies out. They take advantage of me. And I lost a lot of money. I learned it the hard way, and then I've actually seen some people that are genuinely helpful, and I had to learn a lot of it myself. And thankfully, I have now been in the right track, and I've actually have a good, solid track record on my own portfolio, but I want to share it with you guys. However, this is going to be teaching you lot how to make money. And obviously, for me to do this in a moral way, right, I'm gonna have to monetize my work. So after this, I'm gonna show you guys my Patreon, where you guys are gonna see my buy alert, seller. I'm gonna do this in the end of the video. But anyways, let's get straight into this. Right? You don't have a lot of money. We're talking you have less than 6 figures, even low 6 figures. Ignore all of these. You ignore. However, there's gonna be some exceptions. I'll tell you, for example, my favorite one, Caspa. It's in the top 26. My rule is usually, if I want to make a lot of money, you get out of top 150 coins. To dumb it down, and this is going to be, again, this channel is about to dumb the information down for you, right? I'm going to dumb the information down. Instead of saying, oh, the circulating supply, the market cap, there's a lot of YouTube channels for this. There's a lot of YouTube channels that will explain to you the charts, which, again, I understand the charts. I understand the market cap. I understand everything to do with crypto. I understand most of the part. However, for you guys, I'm not going to be teaching you guys that, because we're here to make money, all right? We're here to make money. Right now, we're in the middle of a bull market, I would say, right? We're in the start, I would say around the start. We're running out of time. The normies are running out of time. This is non-financial advice. I do not have the credentials, the certificate to be a financial advisor. This is just strictly my opinion and what I would do if I was in your place, okay? Just to make that clear. I'm gonna go straight to it. Main point, make money. You have less than 6 figures or just low 6 figures. We want a safe play. However, we don't want to go too safe to the point that it feels like a stock. Low risk, medium reward. Not low risk, low reward. Low risk, medium reward. I ignore the top 10. Honestly, ignore the top 10. Ignore the top 20. Here's Caspa. It's not an old coin. It's a new coin, and it's a well-established new coin. My rule is old coins, not good. Why? Because valuation is too high. However, you'd be like, but Caspa, you told me it's a new coin, but you know the valuation is also high. However, it's a new coin. It's a new shiny toy for the retail investors to buy in. They like new shiny things, right? But this is a safe play. I'm not saying it's gonna make you a lot of money, but it will make you a good amount of money. It's as safe as Aptos, as you can see, as safe as internet and computer, as safe as Pepe, Polygon, right? However, it will make you more money than all of these. But to make the real money, it's going to be, oh boy, it's not even going to be in this page. It's not going to be in this page. You see all of this? Ignore. It's not even, you know what? I would even say it's not even going to be in the second page, right? It's not going to be in the second page. What is this? Market cap. Yeah, it's not even going to be in the second page. We're going down to 3 pages. And obviously that means you're going to be increasing your risk. But when you increase your risk, you're going to exponentially increase your rewards. However, my job here is to find the best high risk, extremely high reward, because not everything is high risk, high reward. There's a lot of high risks that will go to 0. So it's a high risk, no reward. I have luckily found crypto coins with the high risk, high reward. Medium risk, high reward. Low risk, medium reward. It takes a lot of time. I'm gonna be honest, lads. I don't have time to do anything. I have to do crypto pretty much full time. Obviously, I'm gonna be monetizing my work. However, I will be giving some free alpha. I will be giving, for example, I'll give you one coin, right? I like Tectum. Right now, as you can see, $73 million market cap. I'm not gonna explain it. As I said, you can look at it. We're just talking money. This means low valuation, all right? Look at the chart. It's a new coin, right? It's been out in 2023, at least in coin market cap. New coin, which means new shiny toy. When the market pumped, it pumped with it, which is great because there's some coins, when the market pumps, it does not pump, right? That's not good. When we're talking the whole market, this is one of the good coins that I definitely hold in my portfolio, right? However, there's gonna be coins that I see with a higher return. And you guys can go to my Patreon, I'll show it at the end of the video. Go to my Patreon, I'll be showing exactly what my portfolio is. Now let me get to something very important. We're gonna be talking about trends. See what these influencers fail to tell you, right? They say follow the trend, follow the trend. I agree, however, I also disagree because they leave out a very important point which makes you guys actually lose money. Trends is what makes you guys money. That's true. When AI is a trend, AI coins are gonna pump, right? Not gaming, not music, not layer ones, layer twos, AI. When gaming is a trend, gaming coins are gonna pump. However, when it's AI trending, right? If AI is trending right now, that doesn't mean you suddenly should buy, because you should be able to buy before the trend. That's how you make the money. You buy before it becomes trendy. Because when you're latching on like, oh, AI is a trend, charts up, charts been blowing up. That means there's a higher chance of you losing money than making money. Yes, you can still buy in and probably make money. However, there's a higher chance of you losing money. And by the way, you're gonna make less money than the people that got in before the trend, right? So for example, what is the trend right now? It's memes. Look at this. Memes are the trend right now. The last 7 days, you can see a lot of things going down. However, if you look at the last month and 2 months, right? For example, look at Floki, right? Look at the last, this is actually my favorite meme coin, right? Look at this. Just look at that. Look, you're gonna tell me right now, meme is a trend, sure. Are you gonna buy this? Are you gonna, imagine you bought, look at this. Look what happens when after meme died down. Look at that chart. Straight to hell, right? You're gonna tell me, oh, now meme is the trend. Right now I should buy Floki. Look, the chances of it going down than going up is huge. Yes, you follow the trend, but you should get it before the trend. I made most of my money from the AI coin trend. And I have 2 AI coins that is gonna be my big winner. And it's gonna be in my Patreon. I already gave you guys one. This one, the Tectum, is a layer 2. It's a layer 2 that could also be a layer 1. This one is my number 1 pick. High risk, but very high reward. Caspa is my favorite low risk, medium reward play. Category, it's a new coin, so it's a new shiny toy. It performed very well when the market was performing well, and it's made people money. I'm starting this fresh, and I'm gonna take you guys with me in the journey. You go follow the trend, and I'm here to be before the trend. I'm here gonna be before the trend. So when we buy in at very dirt cheap low prices, we make so much money. And that's how you're supposed to do it. You understand me? So now the memes are the trend. I'm not buying meme coins. Spoiler, I'm not buying meme coins. You buy the second narrative that you think is gonna pump after it. The trend, what's gonna be after the memes. Honestly, you could say no one knows, which is true, no one knows. However, what you can do is diversify. Buy some AI coins. Okay, meme is pumping, sure. What could pump next? Could it be AI again? Could it be gaming? Could it be layer 1s, layer 2s? So you diversify. And when you diversify, you want to diversify to the best coins possible. You want to buy the coins, because some coins will go up 5x, 10x, 20x, 30x, 40x, 50x, 100x, 1000x. However, I don't want to be the one finding 5x's. I'm going to be the one finding 100x's, 50x's, right? AI coins are going to be the hottest narrative for me, okay? And to wrap this video up, I'm going to make other videos, all right, on, other things that I can help you guys out with. I just want to start this with my intro. I want to just cover some few things. Yes, it might be a bit too much, maybe it might be a bit too much for one video. However, I'm going to definitely simplify it and be straight to the point. If you guys really want, like, every day talking with me, learning from me, getting my buy alerts, my sell alerts, you guys should definitely check my Patreon. I'm starting off cheap. If you guys look at other Patreons, they're up to like $90, $100, even $200 a month. I'm gonna start cheap. However, it is definitely gonna raise. When I get my credibility up and when people actually see my track record, right? I'm gonna definitely put up the price. However, I'm gonna start cheap just so I can prove myself. This is about proving myself. I'm gonna monetize my work. However, I'm gonna also be fair. I can't just be new and be like, hey guys, $200 a month. You guys don't know who I am. You guys don't know my track record. So there's gonna be no BS. I'm gonna start the offer cheap, right? If you guys really want help, daily basis, talking to me, reviewing your portfolio, buys and sell alerts, everything to do with the market, you guys can go to my Patreon. It's going to be linked down below. I'm going to be making more YouTube videos. So this is just the beginnings. The reason why I made this channel today is just because I'm seeing so much lies on the internet. It's immoral. I can't see, for me, it just can't be possible. And I want to help people. I help my friends, I have some friends back in my country that I help them make money and family members. But I want to do this now with you guys, but also monetize my hard work. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, learn something. I'm definitely going to be making videos often to help you guys out, but this is just an introduction type of video. But anyway guys, peace.